Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have Apple Music for Artists access and a verified profile. This is required to change metadata. Once signed in on desktop, navigate to your artist page and click Edit Profile or Artist Details to open the editable fields. Make sure you're using the main artist account because label accounts may not show the same options. From here, locate the artist name field and prepare the exact capitalization and spacing you want before saving changes. Now edit the artist name field directly. Type the new name exactly as you want it displayed, including punctuation and capitalization, because Apple publishes what you submit. If there's an alias option, add former names to help search continuity. Then cross-check your distributor metadata and SRC so catalog records match. Inconsistencies can delay the change. Once everything aligns, click Save or Submit. Apple will validate the change, so provide a brief reason if prompted to explain why you're renamed. After submission, note any confirmation or ticket ID and expect a review period. Changes can take up to several days to propagate across Apple Music. Once done, check multiple regions and devices to confirm the new name displays everywhere. If the update doesn't appear or your catalog splits, make sure distributor metadata matches, and then contact Apple Music for artist support. Include screenshots, distributor reports, and your ticket ID. That evidence speeds resolution and prevents duplicate artist profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.